Speaking of hearts, right? Let's talk about your heart. High blood pressure, leading cause of heart disease. Nearly half of U.S. adults don't know they have high blood pressure. So to help raise awareness, TrueCare hosting free blood pressure checks this week. I'm joined now by Beatrice Palmer to help us out here. Beatrice, tell us, what is TrueCare offering and why is this so important?
Well, it's so important. You just said it. More than half of the United States adults have high blood pressure and they don't even know it.
Wow.
So on February 11th and February 12th, TrueCare is offering free blood pressure checks to our community.
For people to not know they have high blood pressure, why do they need to know it?
Well, because it starts with prevention. Know your numbers so that if there is something you have to take care of, we're there to help you through it.
Okay. And so let's talk about blood pressure checks. Why do you think it is that so many people don't know their numbers and are not able to get these checks? What's kind of been the problem there?
Yeah, I think there's something scary about knowing your numbers. What if it's high?
Right.
But prevention is the best way to address high blood pressure. It can avoid high cholesterol and high sugar. So know your numbers because that's the start of your journey in a healthy lifestyle.
And we're talking to save your heart here, right? If you have high blood pressure, it could lead to all kinds of heart disease,
hypertension, heart attacks, strokes.
But there's solutions. I mean, the medical field has come up with so many things, and you can take a pill that might help lower your blood pressure, right?
Yes, I take it every morning.
You do? Okay.
I do.
So you know your numbers.
I know my numbers.
Well done, Beatrice. Tell me why TrueCare is offering this now, and what can people do if they want to get their blood pressure checked?
It's part of our way to love our community and offer compassionate care. Anyone, whether they have insurance, if they're uninsured or unable to pay, they can come to any one of our centers, and I think we'll show the locations, Oceanside, Encinitas, San Marcos, and Carlsbad. And they can just walk in during those times and get a blood pressure check. Okay,
it sounds like throughout much of North County you're offering these, right? So if you live out there, you can definitely go to any of these locations.
During those times.
And so no appointment necessary?
No appointment necessary, just walk in.
How easy is the process?
Super easy. So you'll walk in, you'll meet with one of our community engagement team members, they'll get you signed in, and it's just wrapping of the cuff. They'll do a couple punches on the digital device. And if you don't have one, talk to them about it. If your insurance doesn't cover it, we'll find a way.
Okay, so let's talk about that. TrueCare, what is it that you offer? What kind of services do you offer here in San Diego?
Well, we offer a whole care approach to health services. Pediatric, primary care, women's health. We do have cardiology services by referral from your primary care physician. Acupuncture, podiatry, dentistry. And so we have a wide range of health services and behavioral health.
Okay, and this is for people who are insured and uninsured, is that right?
Anyone
who needs it.
Whether you have insurance or you don't have insurance, and even if you can't afford to pay your copay, come by, we'll see you because we care.
Okay, so they'll, you know, obviously you can get your numbers checked for free. And if you need other medical care, of course, it's so important to go to that doctor and get seen. Know your numbers. This is an important month, American Heart Month. We've been talking about it. Various doctors have come in throughout this month to discuss that. And that's the number one thing everyone says, know your numbers.
Know your numbers.
Do you know your blood pressure right now?
Know your numbers.
Yeah, know if it's high or if it's too low. There's treatment out there. Again, for the locations, if people want to go get their blood pressure checked, where do they need to go?
Well, they can go to truecare.org.
And
they can access any of the locations on our website. And hablamos español. We speak Spanish.
Very good. Yes, our viewers at home, hopefully this will help you out. We want everyone to protect their heart. Any other messages you want to get out there for people's health and their heart health?
Absolutely. Maybe you're already on a plan to take good care of your heart. Then tell someone else. Share it with your neighbor. Share it with your loved ones, coworkers. Tell them TrueCare is here.
Okay. Very nice, Beatrice. Thank you for your time.
You're so
Once again, what's the website?
TrueCare.org.
Easy to remember, right?
That's
TrueCare. Okay. Thanks for coming in. Great to see you this morning.
Thank you.